Hello everyone, it's K Lifts here and I'm at the Piccadilly multi-storey car park in York to see these newly installed MP lifts. You might remember these lifts used to be modernised O&K lifts with international lift equipment, but now they're MP lifts installed by Classic Lifts. There used to be a set of two, but now they're not. They now are, as you can see, I had to press both buttons, so they're now both individual. The one on the right here was installed a few months ago, and the one on the left, not long ago, maybe weeks. Okay, so I'm going to go in the one that was just most recently installed. It's coming up to floor 2 now. Although there's an error on the indicator inside. Oh, and outside. Because this is floor 2. But it's calling it 3, as you can see. Okay, it's busy as it is a Saturday. So I'm trying my best. I'm on the ground floor now, and I'm going to get well, I'll press for both of them. But as I was just saying, the left lift, maybe both of them, I'll see in a minute, is got buttons as high as floor 2, but the indicator is going as high as floor 3. So the indicator and the buttons don't agree with each other. I think it's the indicator that's wrong, not the buttons. I'll just press both of them to see if I can get an empty ride. See, that's gone up to 3, which I think should be 2.
Moving up.
Now on the right lift.
Floor 2.
So the indicator is right on this one, so it's only the left lift where the indicator's wrong.
Opening.
Although floor F is called M on the buttons in this one, if not focusing very well, but that's an M on the button, and it's floor F, which stands for Phoenix. Let's try and get it to go up again.
Doors opening. Doors are closing. This lift is moving up. Floor 2. Doors opening. Doors are closing. This lift is moving down. Floor F.
Just says floor F.
Doors opening.
You might remember it used to have, in the ILE voice, it used to have a special announcement that said, "Welcome to the shop floor," on this level, but now it just says floor F, so it's not
This lift is moving up.
as good. This lift isn't too bad, slightly bumpy, as you might just be able to hear there, which it really shouldn't be after it was only a few months old, but it's okay.
Doors opening.
Now let's try and get the one on the left, the slightly newer one, that has the wrong indicator. Here it is, on floor 2, which it's colon 3. And whilst the button is M in the other lift, it's F in this one, which is right. So it's wrong in the other lift.
This lift is moving down.
But then the indicator is wrong in this one. So there's a few inconsistencies and mismatches. Oh, I see.
Floor F.
Okay, so it announces it correctly as floor F, but calls it.
Doors are closing.
Calls it 1 on the indicator when it should be
This
F.
lift is moving down.
And now we're going down. So the button's right in this one, but the indicator's not, and it's the other way around in the other lift.
Ground floor. Doors opening. Doors are closing. This lift is moving up.
Because it's just gone G123 rather than GF12. So there's a few minor issues.
Floor 2. Doors opening. Doors are closing.
This one's a bit
This
smoother.
lift is moving down. Floor F. Doors opening.
Going down again. But as it's a set,
Closing.
or not a set rather, people press both buttons.
This lift is moving down.
So that doesn't necessarily mean there's going to be someone at one, it's just they've pressed both buttons and they might have got another one. So let's see.
Ground floor. Doors opening.
So again, there's no one here, which
Closing.
this having these separate as not a set
This
is
lift is moving up.
causing unnecessary journeys.
Floor 2.
Okay, thanks for watching.